Welcome to CONDAT Solutions. Managing contracts manually can be time-consuming, especially for education and migration agencies that handle multiple clients every day. In this tutorial, we will show you how the contract feature in CONDAT CRM helps you to create, send, sign, and track contracts all from one centralized platform. Client onboarding does not end when the contract is sent. It's complete when the contract is signed, securely stored, and easily accessible to your entire team. Throughout this video, you will learn how to streamline your contract management process, reduce administrative workload, maintain compliance, and deliver a more professional experience for your clients. Before we get started, let's take a quick roll at the role contracts play in ensuring clear communication, accountability, and trust between your agency and your clients. Contracts help define service fees, responsibilities, and terms and conditions, reducing the risk of misunderstandings while supporting compliance and professional business practices. Now that you have understood why this feature is important, let's take a closer look at how it works. Follow along as we guide you through each step of contract creation and management process. To begin, log into your CONDAT account and navigate to plugins from the main navigation. From the plugins and integration section, select Manage Contracts, where you will find two options: templates and contracts. To send a contract to clients, first create a template from the template section. Only admin and sub-admin will have permission to create contract template. To create a contract template, select Template and then click on Add New Template, where you will find the contract template details. Within CONDAT CRM, agencies can create templates for general services, college application, and visa contracts. When a category is selected, insert fields will appear, which can be added to the content category during contract creation. Once the contract is created, these insert fields will be automatically replaced with the client's details. Let's proceed to the practical demonstration. The following steps will guide you through creating contract content for the respective category using the insert fields. Select a contract category and bring the corresponding insert fields. For instance, client details can be added in the client section and college-related information in the institution details section of the contract. Afterward, create a contract title for future reference when sending the contract. Upon completing this step, select Add. Once the content is added, it will be visible under the contract section. Please note that the agency must complete all required information to ensure the insert fields are accurately replaced with the client details. Follow these steps to send a contract to clients. From the contract navigation, select Generate Contract. Upon contract generation, the agency will review the contract type: general, college, or visa. Select any category that you want to send the contract to. After selecting a category, choose a client for the contract. Select the college application for the relevant universities. Select a counselor and choose a contract template. The agency must accurately complete the client details to ensure proper population of the corresponding fields before selecting Next. After selecting Next, you will have two options: submit an email for eSign. Please choose the option that best suits your needs. If you select Submit, the contract will be saved in the contract section. If you select Submit an email for eSign, the Send Contract for eSignature option will appear. Please select Send It. The created contract can be viewed in the contract section, and to send the contract for signature, select the Actions button and then Mail Contract. An automated email will pop up allowing you to send the contract for signing. Once the email is sent, counselor will see the status changed to emailed, indicating that both parties can sign through their email. The contract status will automatically update it to signed once the both parties have signed. If only one party has signed, the status will show as partly signed. Counselors can track contracts in real time, follow up with the clients, and increase conversions. This demonstrates how CONDAT CRM facilitates the creation, sending, and management of contracts. We hope this tutorial has enhanced your understanding of how to effectively utilize the contract feature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of CONDAT CRM. Thank you for watching.